everyone, so we've got a Toyota Supra with us at the moment. This one's a 2023 manual, really nice car, very low mileage, pretty much brand new car. It's in for a load of tuning work. It's completely standard at the moment, and we're going to fit a whole host of parts to it. So the parts being fitted are a Boost Logic titanium exhaust system, Boost Logic downpipe, Wagner tuning charge cooler, Wagner tuning charge cooler radiator, Mitsumoto auxiliary radiators, one of our Whifbitz carbon engine covers cut to shape to fit around the Wagner charge cooler, new spark plugs, E-Venturi carbon intake, and it's going to have one of our Whifbitz hybrid turbos, and then a custom tune done on our dyno on the boot mode tuning platform. So this is a 2023 car, so the ECU is locked. The only company can unlock them is Femto. So that unlocks the ECU so we can put boot mode tuning platform on it so we can map the car. So yeah, so let's see what it can do. That's all done. It's making 475 wheel horsepower, which is about 551 brake horsepower at the flywheel, and with 456 pound-feet of torque. That's normally what we get out of these with the same sort of mods. It might be a slightly more or cooler day, because it's quite hot here at the moment. It's around about 26 degrees ambient temperature, so that does drain the power a little bit. So this car's gone from 365 horsepower to 551 horsepower in one go. So the customer should be a happy man.